Need to find the currently logged on username in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes to easily find it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys jointly to open Task Manager. Go to Users tab. In Task Manager, list of currently logged on users will be displayed. Open up the Run window by pressing the Windows key plus R. Type the text CMD in the box provided and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys at once. From for local computer. Once the command prompt opens up, you will have to type the command query user. From a remote computer, query user.server.computername. Open up the Run window by pressing the Windows key plus R. Once the window of the command prompt opens up, you will have to type the command Whoaimi and hit the Enter button. Whoaimi. The current users and details, as shown in the screenshot above, appears on the window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.